Hello and welcome to this short introduction to Minerva, Bath Spa University's virtual learning environment. When you first log on using your student ID and password, you will arrive at the activity stream. This collects all the activity from your modules, including any newly added content, upcoming assignments, and new marks and feedback. These will be grouped into upcoming, today and recent. Plus you may have important notifications at the top, for example if you've missed a deadline. From here you can click directly onto the notification, which will take you right to that relevant part of the module. A useful page to become familiar with is the institution page. The institution page contains lots of helpful resources gathered together into themes. Becoming familiar with where all this information is means you'll always know where to find it. Below the institution page, you'll find your profile, and then under the activity stream are your courses. In courses, you'll find all your modules and any degree programs. You can filter these, look at upcoming courses, and you can change the display to see them as a list or pictures. Underneath courses, we have organisations. Organisations are a bit like your modules, but they're available to everyone, and in there you'll find useful tools to help your learning. For example, in the Writing and Learning Centre, created by the library, you'll find loads of tools to help you with your academic writing, referencing, and digital literacy. Next, you'll find your calendar. From here, if you go into settings, you can see all the different calendars that are feeding into your one. These are all your different modules and your organisations, plus Bath Spa as a whole. Messages is an internal messaging service within Minerva. Check with your tutors to see if they want you to use it, because they may prefer that you use email instead. Next we come to your grades. This is a place where you can see how you're doing in all your modules in one place. Beneath grades, you'll find tools which contain a variety of things you may wish to use. If you're ever stuck in Minerva, you can click on this little question mark, which is found in the corner of all the main pages. This will take you to an appropriate place in Blackboard's own help guides. Once you become familiar with this menu and all the information in the institution page, have a look in your courses. Each course contains a handbook, things like announcements and teaching materials, information about upcoming assessments, and tools like Minerva Capture, where you'll find pre-recorded lectures, and Collaborate, where any online seminars will probably be found. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoy getting to know Minerva.